memory card is working. Thought I left it at home. It's working. Hey, Lance.
Hey.
I think Lance is gonna be the channel favorite, I believe.
Oh yeah.
I believe Lance. Davis doesn't like to be on the videos.
Oh, he's okay with me.
We're gonna get him there.
I've been in plenty videos.
How many videos you been in, Davis?
Probably more than you.
So I'm headed to lunch. I think Zaxby's is the move today. I'm going to get Zaxby's for me and my coworker. And as I'm going to lunch, I get a text message from Christina, this wide bow tie. And apparently there is a code enforcement vehicle sitting outside of our house right now. And I'm gonna post that picture right now so you guys can see. I don't know who this is, where they're from. I don't know if it's HOA. I don't know what the deal is, but I just get a picture from Christina, pretty much saying, hey, is he writing a ticket or something? So I'm freaking out thinking, maybe he's writing me a ticket for something, or, maybe he's HOA and he's coming to, write us a fine for something. I mean, we haven't been parking on the driveway, haven't been parking on the, not driveway, on the grass, on the street, on the across the sidewalk. I mean, we're inside, we're cutting the grass. I mean, I don't know what we're doing. Hopefully he's just picking our house to sit in front of because we're at the front of the neighborhood. But figured I'd let you guys know that the code enforcement agency has been creeping outside of our house recently, and that is that's not fun. So as more details come, as any information comes, I will let you guys know. But today, Zaxby's is the move. Today's been a pretty slow day, but I will make sure to keep the content rolling for you guys, so stay tuned. What kind of cards are those, Bean?
Oh, you don't want to talk about it. So you can't put it on YouTube.
Tell me what's on those cards, Lance.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
No. Gather around, gather around.
Two things need to happen. No. Move it back over there to where we can all see it. Get it away from Jake's toy.
There's two things we take seriously here at work. One is popcorn. Two is the Tactical Girl of the Month calendar. There's these two things you have to take seriously around here. These aren't a joking matter. So
tacticalgirls.com, tactgirls.com.
The first of every month. So we're gonna do a reveal for you guys of the new Tactical Girl. Last month for March was Tactical Girl. Was it Kaylee? No, Kaylee was.
Now we had Tactical Girl Karina about to remove an obstacle between her and her target.
Yes. So
very tactical.
Very tactical.
You better hope your old lady don't watch this.
So, get it taped back up.
Oh yeah.
Gather around. Where's Jake? Jake?
Tape on her. Well, sometimes the tape just has a natural stickiness to them. Jake,
Look at there you go. Tactical Girl. What's her name? Megan.
Tactical Girl Megan with 2 G's. Very weird. Moves up to a riverbed to get in a position before a major offensive. What, pistol? Yeah, she has a Kel-Tec CP33. It's a 22 long rifle. It's got a red dot out there.
22 on the defensive.
Long rifle, huh?
Yeah, she's also got a red dot because she can't shoot for shit. Most women can't.
That must be jelly because Jen don't shake like that.
That's right. She sure is got some camouflage pants on.
So my coworker told me that the vehicle that was outside of my house earlier on today, the one that Christina sent me a picture of, which is, again, this one right here, is code enforcement for the county. So that has nothing to do with HOA. I thought it was HOA, which is why the thumbnail is going to be HOA, but apparently it's not. So I am home now, so let's go see if they put anything in my mailbox. If they didn't, then it's, it'll kind of be the end of the video, but if they did, then we're in trouble. So here we go. Oh wow, there's a lot in there. A lot of stuff. Let's go see. Well, no letter or anything from the HOA or the county or anything. I don't know why they were parked in front of our house, but I guess we can chalk that up as a win for today. Today was a pretty interesting day, so at least we can, end the day on a good note of not getting a ticket for something stupid. But hope you guys enjoyed the picture of me parking on the curb anyway, just to spite them on my Instagram. Make sure to go hit that up, like that, at That Wide Bow Tie, same as my YouTube channel. Again, thank you guys for stopping back by. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I will see you guys tomorrow, 8 o'clock every day, 8 o'clock. We posting. We on the grind, baby. Coronavirus or not, we are on the grind. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.